How to earn revenue even in an unexpected time like this. Having a backup plan and an online business that works in the background is the smartest way to earn revenue, especially in times like this. Hey, Flor here. Some of you, yes, you, some of you have seen and heard my previous posts. Some of you might still be thinking about online business and registered to my website, but haven't watched the video webinar yet. Or maybe you are just waiting for the right time to move towards that first step. I know that each and every one of us are facing different situations in life. But one thing that the whole world is facing right now is the pandemic. Lockdown is the unexpected time for almost each one of us. It affects our regular job. In situation like this, online business is the best backup solution. I am so thankful that I made this decision 2 years ago to own an online business. My husband was made redundant due to pandemic, but thank God he blessed us with online businesses before the unforeseen circumstances happened. Right now, as I speak, our global team has a total of 80.9K of online business owner worldwide, and it is increasing every single minute. Did you ever notice the attention on the phone is at an all-time high right now? Everyone is consuming on the internet, especially on social media platform. It is now a part of normal lifestyle. And this is the reason why today is the perfect time to build an online business and earn revenue. Pandemic, lockdown, unforeseen events might happen worldwide, but the internet and social media are still going. Our phone becomes an essential part of our life. Nowadays, many people are getting generous revenue because of online space. And the truth is, many businesses are now shifting online. If this is happening in the world right now, then this is the right time. This is the right moment to start. I am here to help you get started as you build your successful business. Click on my link below, register now for you to access our video webinar, which will show you how you can easily start your very own online business. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon.